Originally, this kitchen doorway space was 90 centimeters square, one step lower, and had an earth floor. Because there was a storage shed outside and an old window frame, the new window frame overlaps the shed's roof. Therefore, the doorway couldn't be leveled with the floor and should remain one step lower in an earth floor style. Since the hinge door has been replaced with a sliding door, I'm going to reduce the space by 2/3 and create a small kitchen doorway. Before installing the kamachi in the kitchen doorway, I reinstall the diagonal brace that was removed during demolition. The direction is the same as before. In the past, diagonal braces were installed without being secured with any hardware. Hardware can't be used this time either. The inner wall on the back of the diagonal brace is mud plastered. Even if I add hardware now, it won't strengthen the building. It will be sufficient to use longer screws and use more of them than usual. Now I join the kamachi in the kitchen doorway. Since the thin mortise and tenon joint is used, they are easy to join, but they do not fit together as expected. In such a case, I slightly handsaw the widest part of the gap on the joint. This means sawing two pieces of wood together. This way, they will fit perfectly when the saw is removed. We call this doing aiba, which cuts the thickness of a saw blade parallel to the gap. It ensures both pieces of wood attach neatly. Carpentry work doesn't always work well the first try. Adjusting it once or twice is fine as long as the finishing is neat. When installing solid wood floorboards, I make sure to create a larger level difference between the kamachi. This is because